Welcome to our comprehensive guide on implementing triangulation in qualitative research. Triangulation is a powerful method used to enhance the validity and reliability of qualitative research findings. By combining multiple data sources, researchers can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the research topic. Let's explore the three main types of triangulation: data triangulation, investigator triangulation, and theory triangulation. Data triangulation involves using multiple data sources to validate and cross-verify research findings. Investigator triangulation involves having multiple researchers independently analyze the data to ensure objectivity. Theory triangulation involves comparing findings with different theoretical perspectives to strengthen the overall conclusions. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of implementing triangulation in your qualitative study. Step 1. Identify the research question and determine the appropriate data sources. Step 2. Collect data using various methods, such as interviews, surveys, and observations. Step 3. Analyze the data independently and compare the findings to identify patterns and discrepancies. Step 4. Synthesize the findings from different data sources and perspectives to form a comprehensive conclusion. This video is curated by Dr. Philip Adu, methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting.